Good day everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a new Google Docs file. For those of you who don't know, Google Docs is a free word processing software that is offered by Google that allows us to create new text files and save it to various formats such as PDF and docx, or the format that is used for Microsoft Word. Now, let's get started. Please ensure that the Google Chrome that you are using is completely up to date so that we will not encounter any errors along the way. Now, once you have opened Google Chrome, it should look like this. Head to your search bar at the very top or right here and type in Google Docs like so. Click enter. And now as you can see, we have different results here. Click on the first one, which will redirect you to this page. Now once you're here, click on Go to Docs. Now, if this is your first time using this, it might require you to sign in using your Google account. Please make sure that you sign in with your regular or your main Google account, because it is where the Google Docs will store the file. Now, to create a new document, click on Blank Document. But you can also choose resume, letter, or project proposal, and so on and so forth, as these are the various templates that you can use. But in my case, I will just use blank document. Click on this one. And now as you can see, it redirected us to its interface itself. Now you can change the file name right here. Let's say I want to name it Sample 1. And now I can start typing my document. Now as you can see, it auto-saves it to the drive, so you should not worry if you were not able to save it before closing. And as simple as that, you have created yourself a new Google Docs file. If you learned something in this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.